Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Fitness for Transformation. My name is Juan, and today I'll be guiding you through a 10-minute full body workout for beginners. This routine is composed of 14 different exercises, and there's going to be a 15-second rest following each exercise. Let's go ahead and get started. First up, we have steam engines. We're going to widen out our stance, arms come up behind our head, and we're going to bring our knee up and across to meet our opposite elbow before we bring it down and switch sides. Focus on engaging your core to get that knee up, and crunch to get your elbow to meet that knee at the top. If that's too difficult for you, focus on the knee raise. Keep your arms up, keep your head and your chest up, and focus on breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Activate that core to get that leg up. Otherwise, it's a nice clean crunch across as your knee meets your elbow. Go ahead and take a 15-second rest. I'll show you what we're doing next. Next up, we have squats. We're going to send our booties back and our arms forward into a nice squat position. Make sure that you focus on breathing in as you way down and out on your way up. Focus on finding your breath and that strength in that breath to help you drive your weight up through your heels. Keep your head and your chest up and focus on your form. Make sure those knees don't go beyond your toes when you're in that squat. Come up and press your hips forward. Again, inhale on your way down. Exhale on our way up. Go ahead and finish up your last rep. Take a 15-second rest. Next up, we're taking it down to the ground. We're getting into a forearm plank next. Let's go ahead, come on down. Jump. We're going to stack our joints here. Elbows are stacked directly below our shoulders, and we have a nice strong core for this plank. Our neck and spine are neutral, and we're focusing on breathing in through our nose and out through our mouth. Keep your butt nice and low. We have a couple of seconds left here. Great job. Go ahead and take a 15-second rest. Next, we're turning it around onto our backs for some glute bridges. Our feet are flat on the ground, our knees are bent, and we're going to engage our glutes to come up into a nice glute bridge. Engaging our glutes at the top. Come on down and repeat. Bring those glutes up and back down. Inhale on your way up. Exhale on your way down. Focus again on engaging those glutes up at the top for a second before you release them down and repeat. We have a couple of seconds left in this move. Next up, moving in to V-ups, and this is a variation that is going to consist of bringing our legs in as we sit up and back down. Exhaling as we come up, and inhaling as we come down. Focus on your form. Keep your neck and your spine neutral. And if that's too difficult for you, we're going to bring ourselves up and just bring our legs in as we balance ourselves with our arms behind us. Great job. Go ahead and take another 15-second rest. Next up, we're actually going into fire hydrants. So we're turning it around into a tabletop position. Our hands are stacked directly below our shoulders, knees underneath our hips, and we're going to alternate between left side fire hydrant and right side fire hydrant. Keeping a nice strong core to keep us from swaying from left and right. We engage our glute as that leg comes up, and we bring it back to our starting position. Focus on your form, and don't forget to breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth with control. We have a couple of seconds left here. We're going down into push-ups next. Go ahead and take a 15-second rest. I'll show you what we're doing next. We're coming into a nice strong push-up, bringing it down, keeping our elbows tucked next to our sides, and coming back up. Go ahead and join me. We're coming down As we inhale, hold, and exhale to get us back up. Inhale on your way down. Keep those elbows tucked to your side and drag them up. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth, and keep your neck and your spine neutral. Great job. Go ahead and take another 15-second rest. Next up, we're moving into bicycle crunches. We're going to lie on our backs, and we're going to bring in our leg to meet our opposite elbow and alternate sides, focusing on a nice strong core to get that knee up and in. If this is too difficult for you, then what we can do is just bring the knees in one at a time, maintaining our lower back flat on the ground. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth, and move with coordination. Otherwise, we're moving and engaging that core. Go ahead and take a rest. We're gonna take it up on our feet, moving into jumping jacks next. Basic jumping jack. Focus on your form here. Nice and light on our toes. Go ahead and join me. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. We're focusing on getting some cardio in here, getting our heart rate up. Keep your head and your chest up, and focus on breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Go ahead and take another 15-second rest. Next up, we have skaters. We're going to simulate a skate motion by moving as if we were skating, sending that leg diagonally back and alternating. Once we have our form, we can go ahead and speed this up. We're moving with coordination as we move with a little more speed, as if we were ice skating or rollerblading. Keep your head and your chest up, and don't forget to breathe. Great job. To go ahead and take another 15-second rest. Next up, we have squat jumps. We're going to come into a nice squat and jump up. And if that's too difficult for you, we come into a squat and we come up on our toes. We don't have to jump, but we're coming up on our toes and pressing our hip forward. Otherwise, it's a nice, clean squat jump, squatting as we land in order to help protect our knees. We have a couple of seconds left here. We're ready to take another 15-second rest. Go ahead and take a break. Next up, we have calf raises. We're going to stand up straight, and we're going to engage our calves before coming back down and repeating that. Go ahead and join me. In through your nose and out through your mouth. We breathe and we engage those calves up at the top. Focus on your balance. Find some coordination in your movement. And we only have a couple of seconds left. Go ahead and take a 15-second break. Next up, we have jumping rope. It's going to be a basic jump while we jump with our imaginary jump rope. This is going to be nice and basic. We're keeping that heart rate up. Go ahead and join me. We're in a nice, steady jump rope. Take this at your own pace, but keep your heart rate up. Don't forget to breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth, and keep your head and your chest up, and move light on your toes. Keep those wrists moving. Great job. Go ahead and take another 15-second rest. Next up, we have a nice sprint in place to finish off today's circuit. We're just going to sprint in place as fast as we can for the last 30 seconds of this exercise. Keep your head and your chest up. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Give it all you got here. Make sure you finish strong. You guys got this. Come on, let's go. Great job, guys. You made it. That concludes today's training. I hope you enjoyed this one. That was a nice cardio to finish up strong. I like that. Congratulations again. That one was a nice workout. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe. I post routines every Monday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. I look forward to seeing you next week. Thank you so much for watching.